In this video, we will show how to replace PDF pages by text search using the AutoSplit plugin for Adobe Acrobat. This step-by-step guide demonstrates how to replace every page containing the phrase Model 2030 with an updated page from a new file. This tool automatically locates pages containing specific keywords or text patterns and replaces them with pages from a separate PDF document. To do this, navigate and click on the Menu button, then click on the Plugins section. Select the Split Documents option and click on Delete or Replace Pages by Text Search. In this tab, enter the text to search for into the text box and tick the Replace Deleted Pages with a Stub Page box. Click on Use File and select your PDF file. Once it has been selected, click on OK. The software prevents accidental data loss by displaying a live preview checklist of all matching pages before executing the replacement. Click Delete Pages if you are sure that the desired pages will be replaced. As you can see, the pages have been replaced successfully. Visit evermap.com to learn more about Evermap's PDF tools for Adobe Acrobat. Please subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos for more PDF automation tutorials. Thanks for watching.